know you, you take up all my time. The days are long and the nights will throw you away, but the sun don't shine. Nobody ever mentions the weather to make or break your day. Nobody ever seems to remember that life is a game that we play. We live in the shadows and we had the chance to throw it away, but it's never gonna be the same, 'cause the years are falling by like the rain. It's never gonna be the same till the life I knew comes to my house to say hello. Hello, hello, said it's good to be back, it's good to be back. Hello, hello, said it's good to be back, it's good to be back. Hello, hello, said it's good to be back, it's good to be back. Hello, hello, hello. Okay guys, so the chord structure for this song, don't worry about the fact that I've got my capo on 1. I'm still on a standard tuning of A, B, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, so I'm still on a standard tuning for you, okay? So this song is Hello by Oasis. It's very, very, very straightforward. So we're looking at A minor, F, A minor, F, A minor, F, C, and G. Okay, so when they're running through this song, you do 2 of. So we're playing in the middle from the A string down on the strumming there. Okay, so we're going minor F, A minor F, A minor F, C and G. So we're going to play 2 of those lines in the intro. One. 2. I don't feel as if I know you. You take up all my time. The days are long and the nights will throw you away, but the sun don't shine. Nobody ever mentions the weather to make or break your day. Nobody ever seems to remember life is a game that we play. This is going to bring us into the chorus line, which starts off in an E. We live in the shadows and we had the chance to throw it away, but it's never gonna be the same till the years are falling by like the rain. It's never gonna be the same till the life I knew comes to my house to say hello. That chorus structure, okay, for the chorus Okay, we're looking at E. We live in the shadows, A minor, shadows, and we F had the chance and threw it away. Up to G. And it's never gonna see B, which goes to G, the same, A minor. Cause the D's to F are falling by G like the rain. And it's never C gonna be to G, A minor, the same. Cause the life I knew's F comes to mind, to say D minor, low, like the A minor and the F structure. Okay, so if we just take that last chorus that we've got. We live in the shadows and we had the chance and threw it away, and it's never gonna be the same. And the years are falling by like the rain. It's never gonna be the same. The life I knew comes to my house to say hello. Hello, hello. Says it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Hello, hello. Says it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Hello, hello. Says it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Hello, hello, hello. So that outro, the hello, hello. Said it's good to be back, it's good to be back. Hello, hello. Said it's good to be back, it's good to be back. It's F, G, A minor, A minor, F, G, A minor, A minor, F, G, A minor, A minor. Hope you. Okay, guys, so there you go. There is today's tutorial for Hello by Oasis. So feel free to pop along and see any tutorials that I'm going to be doing over the next several weeks. I'll be doing some Oasis tunes. I'll be doing some Weller ones as well, and then move on to some country numbers.